斜步，后步，虚步 ，drop, moving and double punch, block, yes, 弓步 punch, quicker, yes, hook, back, and finish. Good. Any questions? Yes.
Too much power out of softness.
Okay. You feel your body too tense. Yeah, I see that. So I believe most people will feel the same things. So about this question, when we body tense or feel machine or stiff, the reason you are not familiar for this movement. So your attention still try to remember to just do this movement. Yeah. More time you practice, you understand this more movement, then your body will more relax. It's like really like something new. Even I tell you relax, relax, you can't, because in that time you're really doing, you want to do good, you want to make things better. For example, driving. Right? You're driving like you keep a gear on. So you can't relax because the thing you know really remember that well. But once you know how to drive, you won't think, just gear, driving, right? That's naturally happened. So pay attention, keep reminding, little bit breathe, relax, if tense, then keep going. Don't let the tension to disturb your keep going training. So you want to be reach the master level, you look at lots of masters demonstrate the movement. It's very like a fluid and very like a elastic. The power is no staying there. It's finish and continue next power already. So it's kind of a feeling like the power never end. Keep flowing over. That's the elastic power. So when you want to reach this one in Kung Fu, honestly, it's no shortcut. It's not just want to tell you how to do. You have to learn the movement first. By practice numbers like 200 times, all right? Once you more understand the movement, your body know it, then your body naturally relax. Then more practice gradually, this elastic will be in your movement. Shall we try it again? Maybe try a little bit loose. Of course, you do remind yourself a little bit loose, but don't bother you. Okay, we try knee high up again from there. Elbow, knee. Okay, drop down the pull. Ready? Drop. And moving, punch it. Ha! And block. Kung Fu punch. Quicker. Work. Block. And moving. And up. And inhale. Exhale. Full time. This is after training what we usually eat.
6.
I can't myself.